They are owner this land.
What are we doing tomorrow, Bobby?
We're taking a Peach Island tour.
So we're all booked and ready.
Yes, we're ready.
All right, we'll give you
Just
some more of that tomorrow. But right now, we're hitting the beach.
Go to the Swing Beach. Well, if you plan your camera right behind, you're gonna see Pig Island.
Pig Island?
Yep.
Okay. I see a longtail boat.
Yeah, and we are in a long tail boat. The ocean's very beautiful, clear, calm.
Beautiful day today.
Every day since we come here.
Every day.
Every day.
Samui is beautiful.
Oop, okay.
Look at me roll. What's this one called again?
Pig Island.
Pig Island, or what's the Thai name?
A Thai name, I can't remember the
Koh Madsum?
Koh Madsum? Madsum?
I think so. We'll sort that out later, I guess. You gotta shift weight a little bit. And the rest of the gang's getting off. There's our first pig sighting. Hey, buddy. You're all the same color.
Yeah.
I thought there'd be a mixture.
You just came here, maybe they have more over there.
Oh, you think there's a different tribe over on the other side?
Maybe.
We'll find out. There's a baby one. Look at that little guy. Aw, what a cutie. This guy's got the right idea. The police staff car. How's your drink, bub?
Very good. How do you think, Bob?
Mine's good too.
It's good.
Try it. Good one too? Alright.
Very good.
Pick two winners. Aki's got a new friend. Been hanging out with you for a while, huh? What do you think so far?
Great. They're a little scary, but
Yeah.
I do love them.
Those little ones do not like being picked up, though.
เนี่ยแหละ นี่แหละ คำนี้แหละ คำนี้ Bye. Good night. Yeah, if you go back before the COVID, this island is nobody here. Just like a family, couple family, and they have a pig. And when it's COVID hit, you know, everywhere shut down. No boat come back here forward, nothing. Then people live here. They decide to leave this island and live pig here because they don't have money, they don't have anything for afford their life. Then after that, couple years, they come back. It's a pig over like 100.
Gotcha. So they
100.
left here, and when they came back, there was a ton of pigs
A
here.
ton of the pigs.
Gotcha.
And they thought pig gonna die because nobody feed them. But for natural, they try themselves to surviving.
Wow.
And they have big family. That's how his story from here.
So that's how Pig Island came into existence.
Yeah. And they are owner this land.
Wow, that's cool. We got Pad Krapal, and we're pretty sure that it's
Not
not
pig from here.
pig from here. That's exactly. At least we hope not. Fun in water. You just point and shoot, you know, and hope. Oh no, our boat is leaving without us.
Bye, that's my plan.
What you think, Pig Island?
It's impressed.
Yeah.
Relax and we can feed a pig. It's good food too, and the price is not that bad. I have a Mai Tai just like a $300. 300 baht.
Not that one.
$10. I think it's cheaper than in the city.
That's true. And the water is so still here.
So clear.
The water doesn't move at all.
อ๋อมันโดนหีบใช่ไหมมันตะแคงเข้าไปทางไหนได้ไงก็บอกว่า
Where are we going now, sweetie?
ก็แทน
Having a good time?
Yeah, have a good time. It's very beautiful beach. Beautiful me. No, I'm not beautiful. I'm not beautiful.
Surrounded by them.
Let's go, Beach Island.
Distant horizons calling my name, calling my name, calling my name. Distant horizons.